Okay, we came to visit Swapna Ginning and Pressing Factory. In our last session, you seen how the cotton plants will grow, what is the climatic conditions, and which soil the cotton will grow best, how we get the cotton. Okay, from the matured cotton ball, it bursts and the fine cotton fibers come out. Cotton ball bursts and the cotton come out from the matured cotton ball. These cotton is picked, hand picked by the workers. After the hand picking of the cotton is sent to this factory. Okay, this is a moisture machine which measures the moisture content in the cotton. Place these in the cotton. Okay, again here the machine shows a digit how much moisture content is there in this cotton. Are you got it? First of all, what is ginning? What is ginning? Separation of seeds from cotton ball is called ginning. Here it is a cotton. Okay, this cotton enters into the processing room. In the processing room, what happened? There is a machines are there, especially hydraulic machines are there. These machines separates the seeds from cotton ball. Here the seeds are separating there. Have a look there. The seeds are separated from the cotton. That is called ginning. What is ginning? Separating seeds from cotton ball is called ginning. This process done by ginning machines. Right? Okay, ginning is over. Next, what is the word there? Pressing. Pressing. What is pressing? Here, what is the volume of the cotton? It occupied large space. Okay. So to reduce the volume here, after processing, after ginning, the cotton is pressed. Okay, cotton is pressed by hydraulic machines and it turns into the bales. We call bales. Have a look there. They are loading the bales on the truck. That's the bales. Understand? So large quantity of the large volume of the cotton is pressed and turns into bales. Okay. For the easy transport, we make the cotton into bales. That is called pressing. Understand? What happened inside the factory after ginning? Carding or combing process will take place. What is carding and combing? Okay, so your cotton fibers are not straight and some of the dirt particles also there along with the cotton. These are removed and the cotton fiber is straightened by combing machines. After combing, they do the process pressing. So here it is a cotton without seeds. Okay, without seeds, cotton without seeds. So here these seeds are separated from the cotton ball and the cotton and seeds, these both are separated. This is complete seeds. Here it is a cotton without seeds. Understand? This process is ginning. In part of safety measurements, they using this fire extinguisher ball. These fire extinguisher ball give protection. When there is a fire, we simply throw the ball in the fire. When we throw the ball in the fire, okay, due to the extreme hot temperature, this ball will burst. This ball will burst and the powder, look here, this powder covers the fire and fire will be put off. And our students, they gain a lot of information here and they gain a lot of insights and they experience the real world factory industry experiences. Okay, how the workers work here and what is the safety measurements they follow and what are the modern technologies and what is the changes in the machinery. Okay, these all are we experienced. So I extend my gratitude. Thank you to the Swapna Ginning and Pressing Factory management and the staff members for giving the chance to visit your factory. Thank you, sir.